What's up, guys? Welcome to Idols. This is Tushar Shetty, your new Idols instructor, and today I'm here with a choreography class for you guys. It's a choreography from a show I was recently a part of called India's Best Dancer, and a lot of y'all have liked and appreciated the choreography, and here I am teaching it to all you guys. And yes, I have Akash Tambedkar right here assisting me for the class. You all must have seen him on Maharashtra's Best Dancer recently. So yes, we've divided the class into 3 simple sections, followed by a full-fledged showcase for your comfort and your convenience. And yes, without wasting much time, let's get into class. Hey guys, thank you for taking class. What I'm going to teach today is a choreography that I've recently done on a show that I was a part of. I've done it in one of the initial weeks on India's Best Dancer. And yes, here I am teaching it to you today. Before we start class, I'll just give you all a little info about the choreography. It's a Marathi song, and yes, it's really fast. For those of you who know me really well, know that I like dancing really fast. But yes, it's not a difficult choreography, but it's full of basics and it's really fast. There's a lot of patterns and there's a lot of bounce and there's a lot of footwork. So if you've really practiced your basics, you're going to find it much easier to learn the piece than if you have not. So yes, let's start with the choreography. I'm going to try my best to be as patient as I can. We'll go really slow. We'll break it down. We'll go very slow, medium tempo, fast. And before we actually try to go full out, let's just try and learn the choreography, memorize it, and then perform it. Yes? Let's start. The counts, because the music is really fast, you're going to start counting from the first bar itself, but you start dancing on the 4th one. Yes? So I'm just going to let you all know about it so that when you all play music, you all know how to count. But yes, when I actually take the class, I'm going to start counting from the 4th bar. Yes, so your counts are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, on the 4th one is when you start your choreography. You're going to start with your arms. I'm just going to teach you all the arms first and then the body. Your arms go in. Yes, right hand on your right shoulder, left hand on your left waist. So you go 1 and 2 and yes. Your right is going to go to your left, 3. Hold your left, bring it back up. Right is going to come back and left is going to kind of hold your right shoulder. Yes, right here. So just the arms going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes, you're going to follow your left arm with your right after the first 4 counts to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes. Now if you've noticed, I try to do it with the bounce. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes. Let's try that with the arms. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes. Make sure your line this is one line and not like that. Yes, 5, one last time with the bounce, then we do it with the footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes. Now your footwork, it's nothing but just a simple dipping, but your accent is down. Yes, you're hitting the down groove to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes, and 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you're going to stop on 4 and yes. Let's try the arms with the body. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yes. Let's go just like that. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right there. Yes, I'm going to move on from here. You're going to use your left arm to pull your right shoulder to go down and my right arm is just going to like follow. From here, just focus on pulling your right shoulder down. Yes, and my right arm is going to do like a wave just to follow my shoulder and come back up. Yes, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. You're going to come back up. You're going to cross your left, right over left to go open again. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's your arms. From there, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 5 and 6 and 7. Yes, so the counts are your accents. From your 4 and 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's going to make sense with the body and the footwork. Let's write with that. So from your last position, you're going to take your right leg out when you pull your right shoulder to go down. Yes, so I'm kind of hopping again on my left here. My left is forward. I'm going to hop on my left again to take my right out with my right shoulder to go 5, 6, 7, 8. You go down and cross. You're going to bring your right leg in. Shift your weight to your right leg to go open. Yes, left leg goes out. My toe is still with the floor. Yes, from there, my left is going to go back and my right leg is going to do a slide on this part of my foot. I don't know what is this part called. Akash isko kya bolte? I don't know this part, but yeah, you're going to slide towards your left, towards your right with this part. Yes. So from 2, all you're going to do is cross your left to go behind your right. At the same time, do the slide with your right leg on this part of your foot. Yes, if that makes sense. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 7. Yes. So try to maintain a balance with where you're placing your left foot. Don't try to go way inside because then the slide becomes much more difficult and you don't have that much time also. So keep it very short and crisp from there. 5, 6. Yes. So just place it as much as you'll be able to control it. So right. That's all. Yes. Have enough space to get your right all the way back out. Yes. Because you're going to need your left to go for the next one. Yes, let's try just that with the footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go down and right and left. Yes, remember your arms. Yes, so 5, 6, 7. Yes, those are your accents. You go 5, 6, 7. Yes, 5, 6, 7. You want to flow into it. So 5, 6, 7. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 5, 6, 7. Yes, from your 2, my right arm is just going to come here and left comes here. That's it. Yes, when you do the slide. 5, 6. One last time, then we do it the whole thing together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 5, 6, 7. Yes, just one last transition. You're going to do a ball change with your left leg to go an 8. Yes, from your 7, you're going to take your right leg back to go an 8. Yes, you're just going to walk forward. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, that's your and 8. So let's do it from the top.